Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and today I'm proudly want to represent our new application Knowledgebase24. That Knowledgebase24 is not a regular application to store your data and documentation, because the main problem of such application is not how to store data, it's how to extract data. And the main problem is that when you got a lot of documentations, a lot of scripts, and a lot of papers in one knowledge base, and you got a new employee which need to read all this documentation, any human being will lost of that documentation. And that's why we going to help you and your new employee. We introduce in our application Text AI agent, and that Text AI agent will be a very close friend of your new employee. He will help to understand everything what happened in your company using documentation which you store in knowledge base. I'll show how that works in real life. For example, you got knowledge base, and for example, this is one our application Call Center 24. You got the documentation about Call Center 24. Call Center 24 is a telephony system for our clients, and they got a lot of features and functionality which not easy to understand at first point. And we write down everything, all features about Call Center 24 right here. And for example, if you got somebody new in your company and he will come along, he have no chance to read all these documentations because plenty of time for that. But he got a Text AI agent which will able to help with introduction to any new material in your company. For example, our customer ask, I don't understand how we should to start. Support team member don't understand, do not know how to start as well. And he asked a question to Text AI agent. For example, how I may create a Twilio account. Text AI agent collect all information from that documentation and generate response. Click here to register a new account. After creating your account, upgrade from trial version, blah blah blah, which is absolutely correct answer. And also we got a link to the article which is most related to that questions, right? Very easy. We also got classical search here as well, okay? But I don't think that we just added that just in case, but I don't think that somebody will use it if you already got artificial intelligence which help you, okay? Right, for example, if you got the questions, I have no incoming SMS, how to fix it? So Text AI agent generate response, use our documentation, use ChatGPT and give and generate a recommendation. If you experience issues with no receiving incoming SMS, here are a few steps you can follow to troubleshoot the problem. And then we go to answer, which is absolutely correct. You don't need to read documentation to check answers yourself. Our artificial intelligent Text AI agent will help you with that. And actually, that Text agent knowledge base you can use not only for internally, also you can use it externally. There is a four main purpose of using knowledge base and Text AI agent. You can use internally, so store all documentation which is related to your company, and you just need to store the data, everything in place, just plug and play. Store your data and ask AI agent about your documentation. You will get a proper answer. Also, you can, for example, generate some training materials for related sales, marketing, or any some special product, and place that product, that materials, that course, that models in our marketplace, where you can sell it or provide it for free as your market materials. For example, we got Bittrex administration course. For now, we place for free. Later we will charge, and client may download it and use it to understand Bittrex better. But also, that Text AI agent could be placed in your website, so you can able to connect to your open channels, and then connect that open channels to Telegram and WhatsApp or any other connections like Facebook. And then if somebody will text you using knowledge base, using your internal expertise, your client can get reply from our Text AI agents in Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook or Instagram, for example. But with the third one, the fourth one, together with Call Center 24, that Text AI agents, which generate replies, could be used for the incoming telephony, for incoming calls. We also use call center 24. We got AI voice agent, which generate a voice using on that text. So you can train in the knowledge base, you can train your text AI agents, which will generate a content for voice AI agents. And if you have incoming calls for general information about products, your working hours, product status, order status, and prices, that AI voice agent can strongly reply to your client using content in your knowledge base. Okay, that's it for now, and hopefully you will be one of our clients which use Knowledgebase24. Thank you and bye-bye.